back with another video, and today we're going to be doing custom graduation stoles. Now the paper I do use this ASA paper from Amazon, and I will have the links in the description below. Also from previous videos I watched, I got this spray adhesive spray and also painter's paper that I'll also be using in today's tutorial. And then these graduation stoles I ordered off Amazon. These are the 70-inch stoles. So before I get started, I'm just pre-pressing the stoles to get all the wrinkles and stuff out. Now, if you haven't watched my previous video, the printer that I have is the Epson 8550 that I converted to Sublimation. It can print up to 13 by 19, but for today's stole, I did utilize 11 by 17 paper. Now, I designed my stole in Canva. I already printed it out, and because my printer only does 11 by 17, I did have to tape the papers, tape the design together. So I already did that before I started recording. Now I did utilize the Loctite spray adhesive tape. Epic fail. And y'all will see why later in the video. Now it is helpful as far as making sure that your stole sticks to the design. However, if you use too much, it will mess up your design and your pattern will just, like, I'll show y'all later in the video. So I sprayed it, I stuck the stole on there, and then I also utilized heat tape to stick it down. So as you can see me here, I stuck the stole to the design, and then I flipped it, and now I'm going to tape the sides down just to make sure the stole doesn't move. This is a very critical step if you're doing the graduation stoles, to make sure your design doesn't move and that you get all your edges. So I got that all taped down, and pretty much the only thing that I want to move is going to be the painter's paper. That way everything stays. Now my heat press is either 15 by 15 or 16 by 16. This is actually a new heat press. So I did do about 3 presses. Each press 400 degrees for 60 seconds. And just make sure for this, you want, so you won't have the crease lines. You want wherever you press last, that line to kind of be in the middle of the heat press, and then also light pressure so you won't have the line marks. Now this is my first stole. My nephew's graduating this year, so of course he asked me to do his stole. So I'm new at doing stoles. I've been doing custom t-shirts for a while, but the stoles, this is my first time. And so this is me untaping it after I did all 3 presses and got the full stole. Now this actually came out nice. As you can see, it's still sticking to the paper. So that adhesive spray, it's really strong. I didn't even spray a lot. And that side came out nice. I didn't spray too much on that side. That's me just checking it. Now it did have some spots from the adhesive spray that I was trying to get off, but other than that, the color release and everything is really vibrant. I also utilized a towel to try to get the marks that the adhesive spray left on, to try to get off. And I mean, it was kind of working, but really once I did the other side, it was just like, I was like, oh no, I can't use this spray no more. I probably will try to use it, but my top was messed up, so when it was coming out very clumpy. And so this is me just doing the same thing for the other side. I had already sprayed the adhesive spray, sticking it down. If you do want to use the adhesive spray, make sure you do the removable, where you can pick up and replace the design however you want it. But I did the same steps for this side. I sprayed it, taped it down to the painter's tape, and then when I pressed it, of course, 400 degrees for 60 seconds at about 3 presses. And Just wait to see how it came out. But anyways, this is me just fiddling and just making sure I get everything right. Because especially with the crease, you kind of want to make sure it overlaps so you won't have any white marks or anything like that. So after I finished the other side, it was at this point that I realized I really messed up with the adhesive spray. If you look right here, you can see all the little like white marks. And not only that, it left that side of the stove very hard and crunchy. So I redid the whole process minus the adhesive spray. And this is how it came out, guys. Comment below, tell me how y'all like it, and any other videos and topics that y'all want to see. Peace.